This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Yeah, that spark sounds really good.
Oh, you guys are going to like this one. It's so easy. This is the front burners on a gas stove that are not lighting. So I took off the burner cap and I put in this owl and I'm pushing it in and twisting it into the little brass piece at the bottom, and there's a little hole there. And now when I try it, it fires right up. Super easy to do. You could use a straightened paper clip would work too. So you just take off the burner cap, and there's a little brass hole in there. You can see it, I think. And then there's a small hole inside the brass piece, and you just want to clean that out. You could also use a wire brush and clean these surfaces too, so there's nice metal to metal contact. And that'll make a more robust spark. In this case, we were getting a pretty good spark, but we just weren't getting ignition because the gas was not flowing very well because the little hole was clogged, probably with some milk boil over. Same thing on this one. This one is totally clogged. So I'm going to put my little sharp tool in there. You can see the angle here. Spin it a few times to break up the debris. When I turn on the gas, any of that debris is going to shoot out. So don't worry about that. You won't really push anything in there. The gas pressure will push it out. You start it in a really good flame. So these weren't even lighting at all, and that'll just take you just a couple of minutes.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.